Welcome back to Pokipokids. Welcome to Bluey Jump Battle. Pick which character you think will win. Jump the block to power up your character.
Bluey's learning time. Learn vocabulary with Bluey. Don't forget to guess the quiz. And play more mini games.
Before starting, please subscribe. Pick a side.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Lucky versus Coco.
Oh, yeah, sorry. But how is Nick? No, he has to...
Let's jump. Let's jump. Keepy Uppy time. Touch the balloon. Would you rather?
I'm not supposed to get dirty. I think it's because I'm a chow chow.
Oh, and this sheep has been making sure no one bothers her.
Subscribe for more. Let's jump. Let's jump. Bluey's learning time. Let's grow our vocabulary with Bluey.
Trace the letter R. Way to go. R, rose. R-O-S-E, rose. R, raccoon. R-A-C-O-O-N, raccoon. R, robot. R-O-B-O-T, robot. R, rocket. R-O-C-K-E-T, rocket. Tap a picture starting with the letter R. Dandelion. Rabbit. You did it! Tap a picture starting with the letter R. Rhino. Cat. You are a smarty! Power up the spaceship. Click on all the buttons with the letter R. Brilliant! R, rain. R-A-I-N, rain. R, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I, T, rabbit. R, rooster. R, O, O, S. T, E, R, rooster. R, rainbow. R, A, I. And
Find Chattermax in this picture. Would you rather?
I'm not supposed to get dirty. I think it's because I'm a chow chow.
Oh, and this sheep has been making sure no one bothers her.
Bandit or Uncle Rad? Subscribe for more Bluey content. Find the difference.
The winner is... Let's dance to celebrate.
Do you want me to do it, Granddad? Is that why Mum wants you to rest? So you're fun.
Don't forget to subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.